You're supposed to say go, dude.
Go.
Happy picture. Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I don't want you not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. What would you do if I take those words into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I take those words away? Then you wouldn't have if I tell you I love you. La di da 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 da. More than
I can do it right now. I can't like give back to you like.